Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be working on the Little Royal Rusted Vise. I paid $5 for this little thing. It is the rustiest, nastiest little vise I have ever bought. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, we ready to take a good gander at this? This is basically a $5 boat anchor, but I want to see if we can't do something with it, try and bring it back to life, give it a nice little paint job, spruce it up a little bit, you know. Let's see if we can at least get this thing apart. Okie dokie. Don't know how well that's going to work. There is a little pin down in here. Okay, let's figure this out. Let's get you zoomed in a little bit where you can see what I'm doing. There's like a little lock washer in there, I think. Oh man, there's so much rust I can't see. Well, this thing is so rusted, I literally just broke that little ring. No, I didn't. I know what that is. That's a cotter pin. That's a cotter pin. We can work with that. I say we can. This thing ain't moving at all. Oh, it snapped off. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Maybe. Let's see if that'll thread off there. Oh wow, this thing is in bad shape, guys. Very bad shape. Okay, so I'm not sure where that went. That just fell out of nowhere. There's two washers for some reason. Not quite sure what's going on there. Look how nasty that is. Oh, we can kind of forget about the slide coming out. How about well, trying to get this off here. I don't think that's going to work either. Oop. Oh. I got chunks of crap just coming off this thing. Three washers. Jeez. What do you think? Hammer? I think I got it to the point of No return here. It's barely moving. Can't get a good swing on it, you know. It's moving. I think it's mushroomed at the end. All right, slide jaws out. See if we can't break that nut loose. I have had a lot of problems in the past with those. Not even sure what size it is. What are the chances of that? I grabbed the right one. Oh my God. All right, we're gonna throw this in the vise. Put some penetrant on there and see if we can't break her loose. Give me a second, we'll set up. All right, I'm gonna put some blaster on this. Trying to not put a whole lot because this is gonna go into deoxy. I don't want to contaminate my deoxy too much. Oh, look at that. That worked a treat. Wow. Look at all the rust. I don't think I'll ever get those jaws off there, to be honest with you. We'll know after the soak. Alrighty guys, got a little container here. I got the body of the vise and the jaw in there. I'm going to put a gallon of water. Hopefully this is enough water to fill it up. I think we'll be good actually. And I'm going to do 1 cup of the deoxy. Finish filling this up. Look at that, 1 gallon's exactly perfect. Let's get all the other little stuff in there. All the hardware. And we'll just let it sit. We'll come back to this tomorrow. Alright guys, well about an hour into this, I wound up checking on the vise. It slipped out of my hand, dropped, cracked the container that I was using. So now we've got to relocate it over to here. Hell, I even tried putting duct tape around the side to try and fix it, but it didn't work. I still have clumped up powder here on the bottom. I should have pre-mixed this before I put it into the container, but like me being normal, I got ahead of myself. Get every last bit of that powder out of there. There we go. Oh, what a catastrophe. Alright, well, let's see how my deoxy did on this. Well, that handle definitely needs a good straightening. But it looks like it did really well. Quite happy with that. The test will be after we wire wheel it and get all this stuff off it. Alrighty, got the little Dunlop anvil out. I'm going to do what we can to try and straighten this handle out the best we can. Much straighter there. Alrighty guys, well, we got these all taped off. We're going to spray a coat of Rust-Oleum etching primer on there, let that set up a while, and then we'll go over it with our color base. So let's jump into this. Alrighty guys, well, the etching primer is dry and we are going to go with a gloss purple. See what this looks like, huh? Alrighty guys, well, it should be dry enough now to start manhandling this a little bit. Let me get the body out of the way. I got the washers put in place. I got the handle and the screw ready. I'm going to put a cotter pin in. That's what was in there originally. Grab a screwdriver and we'll try and separate that a little bit. I had to cut this cotter pin down a little bit. Alright, now I need a wider screwdriver. We use a slotted stubby. Nice. That worked just fine. Nice and tight. Cool. Sounds a little rough right now. I haven't oiled anything yet. That'll work nicely. Looking pretty sharp. Excuse me. I'm going to put a little bit of plumbing grease around this edge right here. A little bit on the base. Wipe the excess off my finger. Well, it is supposed to have two handles. This one happened to just come with one, but I'm quite happy with it, to be honest with you. That's it, guys. The little Royal Vise. I'm going to call this the Crown Royal. Purple and gold, get it? Crown Royal. If you're a Crown Royal drinker, you would appreciate that. So, that's it for this one, guys. Alrighty, guys. Well, we are all done with this one. Just a little fun project to do in the shop today. We stripped down the vise, cleaned it up, and we painted her an awesome purple. This will be known from now on as the Crown Royal Vise. I don't know, just thought it was fun. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you guys next week with another. Bye.